Hello everyone, I'm here with the brand new iPhone 5. I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you guys. As you can see, it's the iPhone 5 right there. Alrighty, there we go. Verizon, 16GB in black. I chose the black one because I feel like the white one's just too obnoxious to have in public. But overall, it's your choice. I feel like they really made this black one look really cool from my point of view. It's really hard to take it out of this box, but you know, we'll manage. Alright, here it is, guys. Brand new iPhone 5. There's the new two-tone back. Nice and clean, never used. No fingerprints or whatever that stuff no one likes. Alright, there it is. Let's put that down in a sec with the accessories. The new same, I think they use the same one for the wall adapter. Same. A new USB to iPhone connector. There it is. Thunderbolt connection right there. And what everyone's been waiting and talking about are the new headphones in this nice case. And that's my brother. Sorry for that. He's got Tourette's. Really, they're bad for him sometimes. And there we go. iPhone 5 unboxing. Get at me.